In the beginning of time, in the formless all dwelled. Then a spark started, a curiosity swelled. What would it be like to feel, to cry, to sing, to heal? What would it be like to forget? Cosmic amnesia, or even feel death? What would it be like to play a game, a dance of opposites, to have two names? Shiva and Shakti, the opposites were born. From there they created and gave the universe form. Shiva, masculine energy, you are the initiator, dweller of the formless, spark of the cosmos. Within your being is the seed of creation. Shakti, feminine energy, you are the generator, birther of form, creator of intricacies. Within you is the gateway for life. Within their union, the universe expands, from silent whispers to grandiose lands. Each force complements the other's intense drive. In their embrace, all creations come alive. As we did, I asked you, love, will we find our way once we are done playing the game? Back to each other in our embrace, and we can remember that we are one, transcend dualities and be done. You said, yes, I am ready for this life, to play the role so well no one can tell, that we are actors on a cosmic stage, with love as our script through every age. Through trials, through laughter, through every tear, our journey is marked by both joy and fear. In every heartache, in every bliss, in every goodbye, in every kiss, we dance through life, Shiva and Shakti intertwine. In every lost moment, each other we find. Through seasons of plenty and echoes of drought, our souls whisper secrets in silent shout. In the grand tapestry, our threads weave bold, a story of love from the ancients told. So when the curtains fall and the lights dim low, when from our earthly roles we finally let go, we'll find our way back through time's vast sea to where love began in unity. And there, in the glow of eternity's light, beyond the realms of wrong and right, we'll remember the game, the roles we played so well, in the cosmic dance where love stories dwell. So fear not, my love, for this is not the end, but a passage to where we transcend, back into our embrace where all is one, in the infinite dance forever begun.